I am Filipinized. The spangit part as one. Japanese kids' favorite menu. And because it's sweet taste, for sure Filipino kids loves too. Do you know chicken rice? So what we use today is, Japanese we call this pimen. Pimen. I don't know why. Green pepper, 30 gram. Any kind of mushroom is okay. We use shimeji because I found in SM looks good. 50 gram. And onion's too expensive. 50 gram is okay. So yeah, half or 1/4, or if it's small, 1 piece. Then also garlic. Small piece of garlic, and also 200 gram of rice. Filipino rice is okay. It's fine. Since I made the video about how to make Japanese rice, and I still had in the freezer, so I will use it. Put in microwave and make it hot. And most importantly, chicken thigh, 120 gram. And also 10 g of butter. Butter. Hard to pronounce, but butter. First, we make this onion. How do we make it? Easiest way. Small portion cutting. As long as it's small, it's fine. Make it small. If you can make same size of rice, but I like little texture, so konti. Then put in a bowl, save it. Next, green pepper. A little bit pangit inside. If you want to take out, but the seed actually more nutrition, like more healthier. So I usually use everything, like seed inside, whatever. So any cut is okay. Maybe sizes like this. Can you see? Then this one also, save it. You know what? When I decide to make video about chicken rice, I was a little bit panicking because after I went to SM, I realized that I don't have ketchup because I don't use ketchup much. So I was like, should I go again, SM? But you know what? I had the moment I realized I became Filipino. Like Filipinized. I am Filipinized. I was saving from McDo and Jollibee and SNR. Sorry, no offense because Japanese never do this. Then chicken. Chicken also make it small. I usually like straight and anyway, make it small. Whenever I scoop with the spoon and put in the mouth, I want a taste of chicken taste. So make it small and spread. Then put it back. Little salt, pepper. Middle heat. Butter. Chicken rice, the ketchup and butter, the matching is perfect. So butter, you have to put 10 g of butter, then put the chicken. My memory of chicken rice is bento. When I was 12 years old to 17 years old, junior high and high school, we had bento, lunchbox every day. My mom cooked every day for my lunchbox. Wow, 6 years? 6 years, my mom wake up Ari and cook my bento. Then I go to school with bento box. Wow. I cannot thank enough. Like every day, 6 years, cooking bento, that's crazy. And chicken become like this color. You put onions. When I open bento, when I see chicken rice, I was like, woo, chicken rice. So chicken rice is that memory. Right? like Happy Bento Day chicken rice. For chicken rice, the onion is must because sweetness is important. But you don't need to grill much. Little bit is okay. Then you put mushrooms. Like some part, like this fungus part, you don't need to put. But actually you can eat, but I don't like the fungus part. So sorry, I will remove. Put the mushroom and mushroom texture and scent umami put in. Then now ketchup. 4 big teaspoons of ketchup or easy one and ketchup. Put it in. McDo, not sponsored. And mix. Ketchup has little bit sour taste, but if you vaporize, the sour goes out. Then sweet taste go in. You little bit boiled ketchup and make it sweeter. Then Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Small teaspoon, 2. 3 shake of Ajinomoto. 2, 3. Because ketchup and Worcestershire sauce, little bit, how can I say, the taste is, but with Ajinomoto, it become little bit, make it mild. Then once ketchup and chicken mushroom become like one, how can I say? If you think it's as one, everything is as one. Everything as one. Yeah, everything is one. Then put the rice. 200 gram of rice, put it there. Should be hot rice, okay? Then mix. Then ginger, grind. Then put pepper. Little bit, but more than you think. Then in the last you put pimen. Green pepper. Because if you fry green pepper scent go away. So I put in the last. That's it. Then put it here. Okay, oh my god, chicken rice. So good. In Japan, in supermarket, there's Nichile frozen chicken rice. A little bit expensive, but really good. And that taste is perfect of chicken rice for me. And with that taste, but more texture of chicken, green pepper, and mushroom, but taste same as exactly Nichile. Nichile chicken rice, its taste is perfect, like really good, tasty, yummy. But if you chew or bite, there's no texture because it's frozen, like everything is melt, kinda. But this one is like itself texture. It's like Nichile frozen food, fresh from factory. Before frozen, you eat. It's like that. Super good. The green pepper is perfect. Oh good, I can eat every day. But you know what? Ketchup is a little bit high calorie. If you're on diet, ketchup is not a good idea. So that's the reason I don't have ketchup. If you're on diet, don't eat it. But if you don't care, you want to taste Japanese chicken rice, then Thanks for watching my lunch. I hope you enjoy cooking and I hope you try it. Thanks for watching. またね。